Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Fluence AI40 powered 5-inch bookshelf speakers. Now you can buy these from Fluence.com. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on these, $200. Now they're available in 3 colors. You got black with the black front, you got dark brown with the black front, and you got tan with the white front. Alright, so let's go through the specs real quick. Now the speaker configuration is a 2-way driver bookshelf speaker system with an integrated amplifier. Now these are Bluetooth and the codecs is aptX, so that's going to give you beautiful streaming quality. The inputs are RCA left and right. You got a 1-inch tweeter and a 5-inch woofer, and the amplifier power is Class D 70 watts. Now the frequency response is 40 to 20 Hertz DSP virtual sound perceived by ear. Alright, so let's check this out. Now shout out to anybody that watches my videos. You've seen the Fluence FI70 and the AB40. I could co-sign this company. I never got a pair of speakers from them yet that wasn't popping. So I got high hopes for these. Now I hate to disturb white shoes. She looks like she's real comfortable. So let's see if we can see what's on the box. Look out, white shoes. You got exhilarating room-filling sound. Listen from any source with simplicity. And premium components for audio excellence. Alright, so I'm going to pause the video. I'll take these out the box and set them up, and we'll see what they look like. Talk amongst yourselves. Alright, so here's everything you get in the box. You got your usual books and shit. Pluck them, file them to the side. You got a Fluence brochure showcasing some of their latest speakers. Check that out later. You got your RCA cable. Now, if you want to use a non-Bluetooth device, plug in the RCA jacks in the back, one end into your 3.5mm headphone jack, and you're good to go. You get a remote control, 2 AAA batteries, you got your speaker wire, and your plug. Now for the speakers itself, I went with the tan bamboo color with the white front. They weigh about 7 pounds each, beautifully made. Alright, let me do the smell test on these. Definitely smells like quality. On the front, here's your tweeter, your subwoofer. This is going to be a power button. You got a little LED. This is also your volume wheel. Now here's your infrared sensor, little Fluence branding. On the back, this is your Bluetooth pairing button. You got your RCA inputs, your speaker wire inputs, and your DC input for your plug. And a little Canadian flag on the back. That's a nice touch. Now the speakers are labeled left and right, so you know how to set them up. This is the right. Now in the back of the left speaker, labeled left, you got your speaker wire inputs and another little Canadian flag. Oh, Canada. All right, now let me pause the video again. I'm going to plug these in. We'll pair them up and do a little sound test. All right, so I got these paired up. So now let's test them out. Now to pair them up, it's real simple. Just hit the pairing button on the back, go to your Bluetooth menu, and select the AI40s. All right, so let's play some music. Max volume, max treble, max bass. Y'all see those woofers vibrating? This is crazy. Let's go. Now I gotta keep it real with y'all. I am impressed. For $200, let me play another song. All right, let's take it over to one of the classics. So you heard it for yourself. On a scale of 1 to 10, for $200, these are a major go. These are probably the best looking and sounding bookshelf speakers at this price range that I heard yet. Now shout out to Fluence. This is my third set of speakers from them, and all three of them have been incredible. Now I'm probably going to use these for laptop speakers, so let's see how they sound when you're playing some videos. Got the remote control on deck. Let's unmute it.
To kill Aquaman, double, dive kick. Wow, air tech clutch, able to escape from Toxin, but the meter burned on the Palpatine. Enough shock to ride through any bit of fear gas Scarecrow has cooking, and Ominous up a swift 2-0.
What was so beautiful about that, right at the end of that game, is how Ominous was able to stand there and know when he threw that interactable, it did not, it wasn't going to hit him. He had no fear.
No stress.
Let me get this punish.
Absolutely. Coming in now, Toxin starting a bit more offensively than the first two games. Trying to make quick work of it in the back three, chasing down the back dash once again. Fantastic reads from Toxin. Amin is not only just trying to block, but wants to evade. He doesn't want to be close. And you see after the majority of Toxin's plus frames, he's trying to backdash and escape, and Toxin taking massive advantage.
Get bodied.
Essentially a free life bar here in game 3.
Looking great. And sometimes against Scarecrow, you just got to hold that. Another one for Toxin, going down the steps, going through the portal. This man is getting thrown into another world. What a start here for Toxin, trying to gain some momentum.
Right,
he's going to need a ton of backdash with another back three.
Yeah,
like I said, for $200, you can't go wrong with these. Now, the build quality is excellent. Y'all seen those woofers vibrating? I love that. I'm glad they didn't put any grills on the front to cover that up. You want to see that vibration. $200 on a scale of 1 to 10. These are a major go. Trust me on these. Anyway, these are the Fluence AI40 powered 5-inch bookshelf speakers. They come in 3 colors. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spot one to beam up. Energize.
I love my white shoes. 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 I love my white shoes.